Alright, hey guys, so today we're going to test this Hollyland Lark M1. It is a lavalier mic, but for that we'll go ahead and wanted to show you what's inside the box. I opened it already, but I wanted to show you this. So this is basically the box, and of course what's inside the box is this beautiful pouch right here, and inside it are of course, because this is the single person variant, so what's inside is the mic itself and of course the receiver, and here are the accessories like the charging cable. There's actually two charging cable. Alright, there you go, right there, another charging cable, and we have this this is TRS. This is what you guys wanted to use whenever using it to the camera. And of course, we have another, which is the TRRS cable. You're gonna want to use this if you're going to use this microphone on a cell phone. And of course, the dead cat right here. This is for wind noise reduction. And of course, some papers, which is basically manuals, I think. Alright, I'm not gonna open that. Alright, so just for reference, I'm currently recording using Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone, just for reference. And along this video, I'm gonna be switching from Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone to this wireless microphone right here. Alright. Okay. That's the microphone, and of course this is the receiver. Alright, microphone and the receiver. Alright, let's go. Alright, so right now I'm using this lavalier wireless microphone right now, Hollyland Lark M1. How do I sound like? And again, just for reference, earlier I was using the BY-MM1 just to test, how it sounds like. I'm actually currently in the room which has background noise. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there's an air conditioning in the background, and like some noise, ambient noise. And then from time to time I'm gonna be switching from Boya BY-MM1 and switching to this microphone. So I'm just gonna be reading some details in here. This is not, a tech review, by the way. It is just purely sound test. That's for you to actually differentiate how these two microphones are actually going to sound like. Alright, switching back to the BY-MM1 shotgun microphone to see how the sounds differentiate. But then again, I can see that it actually says in the USA here in the box. I'm not sure if this is actually made in the USA or probably in China, but as long as it sounds okay, then I think that should not be a problem, right? So well, I wanted to take advantage. I'm just gonna keep saying things in here. I don't know what to say. It is just to basically test the sound, and I'm gonna be switching back and forth from this microphone here back to MM1 and then back to this microphone, so you guys can compare. Okay, back to this microphone again. It has a good review, with the price, because I think the leading model when it comes to microphone or wireless microphone are the DJI, and of course we've got Rode, wireless microphone. But it is something that I'm not willing to buy, or probably I just can't afford it. So I got some good reviews when it comes to specs with this microphone in here, and I only got it for like, probably less than 50% of the price when you're going to compare it with DJI microphone and of course Rode. And if it is something that you guys are currently using, what you guys should think, and taking advantage as well, because I don't know what to say. So just wanted to say please subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.